In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show the preview of emails in Gmail. Whether you're looking to streamline your digital workflow or simply want a quicker way to glance at your messages, enabling a preview pane can be a game changer. So, let's dive right in and get you set up. First, you need to open your preferred web browser. Once you have it open, type in mail.google.com and hit enter to navigate directly to Gmail. If you aren't already signed in, go ahead and enter your login credentials to access your Gmail account. Once you're in, you should be greeted with your inbox, displaying your emails as usual. Now, to enable the preview pane, look in the top right corner of your Gmail window. You'll see a gear icon, which represents settings. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. This menu provides a quick way to access frequently used settings, but for what we're doing, you'll need to click on See All Settings. Doing so will take you to the main settings menu, where a variety of customization options can be found. From this menu, you'll notice several tabs along the top. Click on the tab labeled Advanced. This is where you find features that can help optimize your Gmail usage. Among the list of features available here, one is called Preview Pane. Enable this feature by clicking the Enable button next to it, then scroll down to the bottom of the page and hit the Save Changes button to make sure your preference is saved. After saving your changes, your Gmail account will refresh automatically. You'll now see a new icon in the interface, resembling a rectangle divided into two panes. This is the toggle for your preview mode, allowing you to choose between a vertical or horizontal split. Clicking this icon gives you the ability to decide how your emails will be displayed alongside the preview pane. Once you've selected your preferred layout, you can start clicking on emails to see them appear in the preview pane immediately. This setup allows for more efficient email management as you won't need to click back to the inbox repeatedly. Emails will open within the main window. And just like that, you have successfully enabled and displayed the preview of emails in Gmail. This feature will allow you to skim through messages quickly and get a better handle on your inbox without having to open each email in a new window. With time, you may find that this enhances your productivity by streamlining how you handle and read your emails. So, give yourself some time to adjust to this new setup. Feel free to experiment with the different pane layouts to see which one suits you best. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing!